That sounds delicious. Lobster fish soup can refer to such as a creamy, hearty seafood chowder that includes whitefish and lobster. Since you mentioned lobster fish soup, I'll provide a popular recipe for a creamy lobster and seafood bisque chowder that includes other fish and shellfish. This gives you a rich, satisfying soup. Rich lobster and seafood chowder. This recipe focuses on a creamy, flavorful base with a mix of lobster, shrimp, and white fish. Ingredients: serves 4 to 6. For the base, 2 Tbsp unsalted butter or olive oil, 1 medium onion, diced 2 carrots, peeled and diced 2 celery stalks, diced 2 cloves garlic, minced 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 4 cups fish stock, seafood stock, or chicken broth, 2 cups diced potatoes, like gold or russet, 1 cup dry white wine, e.g. Sauvignon Blanc or Pinot Grigio. Optional, adds great flavor, 1 to 2 cup heavy cream or half and half, 1 to 2 Tsp smoked paprika, 1/4 Tsp dried thyme salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste for the seafood. 1 cup cooked lobster meat, cut into bite-sized chunks, 1 to 2 lb raw. Shrimp, peeled, deveined, and cut in half or kept whole, 1 to 2 lb firm. White fish fillet, like cod, haddock, or halibut, cut into 1-inch chunks garnish, optional. Fresh parsley or chives, chopped a small splash of sherry or brandy, added right before serving. Instructions. 1. Sauté the vegetables. In a large pot or Dutch oven, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the diced onion, carrots, and celery. Sauté for about 5 to 7 minutes, until the onion is translucent and the carrots are slightly softened. Stir in the minced garlic and cook for 1 minute until fragrant. 2. Build the roux and broth, sprinkle the flour over the vegetables, and stir continuously for 1-2 minutes. This creates a roux, a thickener. If using, pour in the white wine and scrape up any browned bits from the bottom of the pot, deglazing. Let it reduce slightly, about 2 minutes. Slowly pour in the stock broth, whisking constantly to prevent lumps until the mixture is smooth. 3. Simmer and thicken, add the diced potatoes, smoked paprika, and thyme. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer. Cover and cook for about 15-20 minutes, or until the potatoes are tender. 4. Add the seafood stir in the white fish and shrimp. Continue to simmer gently for about 5 minutes, or until the shrimp are pink and opaque, and the white fish flakes easily. Add the chopped cooked lobster meat and the heavy cream. Stir gently. Heat for another 2 to 3 minutes, just to warm the lobster through. Do not boil after adding the cream. 5. Season and serve. Season the soup generously with salt and black pepper to taste. Ladle the soup into bowls. Garnish with fresh parsley or chives. For a richer flavor, drizzle a teaspoon of dry sherry or brandy into each bowl just before serving. Enjoy your luxurious lobster and fish soup.